Discover the smartest way to keep your home spotless. When choosing the best hardwood floor cleaning machines, you need power, safety, and convenience. Today, we'll explore top-performing models designed to protect your floors while delivering a flawless shine. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Shark S8201 Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine. The Shark S8201 Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine stands out as a powerhouse designed for users who want deep, reliable cleaning without hassle. One of its most impressive features is its combination of powerful steam, targeted steam blasting, and rapidly rotating pads that deliver up to 2 times better stuck-on stain removal compared to traditional steam mops. This machine doesn't just glide over the surface. It actively works through grime, using its automatic scrubbing mop head, achieving over 150 scrubs per minute. That means less effort from you and more cleaning power from the device. The inclusion of the steam blaster is a fantastic addition for homeowners dealing with stubborn spots. With a simple finger-controlled trigger, you can release an intense burst of steam exactly where needed, eliminating dried messes with precision. For hygiene-conscious users, the S8201 offers steam sanitization, removing 99.9% of household bacteria using only water. No chemicals required. This not only protects floors, but also keeps homes safer for kids and pets. Its 3 adjustable steam modes, light, normal, and deep, give you control based on the task at hand, whether it's a quick refresh or a heavy-duty cleaning session. Another thoughtful feature is the set of LED headlights, which help you spot hidden debris in corners and under furniture. The removable, large-capacity water tank minimizes interruptions, allowing for longer cleaning sessions without frequent refills. Number 2. Bissell Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine. The Bissell Crosswave Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine continues to be a standout multi-surface cleaner, especially for homes that need speed, efficiency, and versatility. One of its major advantages is the ability to vacuum and wash floors simultaneously, which dramatically cuts down cleaning time. Instead of juggling multiple tools, you get everything done in a single smooth pass. This makes it far more effective than a traditional mop and bucket, which often leave residue behind. The Crosswave also shines in multi-surface capability. It isn't limited to hardwood floors, it's equally effective on sealed wood, tile, laminate, linoleum, pressed wood, area rugs, and even rubber mats. This makes it ideal for households with mixed flooring types. Its 2-tank system is a thoughtful design choice that keeps clean water separate from dirty water, ensuring that you're always washing with fresh solution rather than pushing around grime. Another noteworthy feature is the Fresh Start antimicrobial treated filter, which helps prevent odor-causing buildup. This is especially useful for pet owners, and speaking of pets, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, contributing to pet rescue efforts. For many buyers, this alone adds meaningful value. In terms of performance, the Crosswave provides strong suction, consistent solution distribution, and easy maneuverability. Its cleaning path is wide enough to cover large areas quickly, but compact enough to navigate tighter spaces. Maintenance is simple, thanks to removable components that rinse clean effortlessly. Number 3. Bissell 1940A Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine. The Bissell 1940A is a popular hardwood floor steam cleaner known for its impressive sanitizing performance and ease of use. Designed for sealed hard floors, it uses the natural power of steam to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria without relying on harsh chemical cleaners. This makes it an excellent eco-friendly and family-safe choice for regular floor maintenance. One of the most practical features is the Smart Set digital steam control, which lets you choose between high, medium, and low steam levels depending on the cleaning challenge. From everyday dust to stubborn sticky residue, the 1940A adjusts effortlessly for the task. For tougher messes, the flip-down easy scrubber provides extra scrubbing power, allowing the mop to lift off baked-in dirt and sticky spills without needing extra effort from you. The 23-foot power cord provides a generous cleaning radius, and the unit heats up in just 30 seconds, making quick cleanups simple and convenient. Mobility is enhanced with swivel steering, allowing it to maneuver easily around furniture, corners, and tight areas. Included accessories such as the microfiber soft pad, scrubby pad, carpet glider, and fragrance discs provide extra versatility and a refreshing scent while you clean. Powered by a 1,500-watt system, the Bissell 1940A consistently produces strong steam output for reliable cleaning performance. Users also appreciate its lightweight design, which makes it comfortable for extended use. Number 4. Shark Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine. This Shark Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine focuses on simplicity, lightweight operation, and powerful steam performance for everyday home cleaning. For users who prefer chemical-free sanitization, this steam mop is a standout option. It uses only water to lift grease, grime, and surface dirt, leaving behind no chemical residues, perfect for households with children, pets, or sensitivities to cleaning agents. Its lightweight under 5-pound design makes it exceptionally easy to maneuver, carry between rooms, and store, especially in smaller homes or apartments. Despite its compact size, it offers dependable steam cleaning power that activates in just 30 seconds, allowing quick and efficient use whenever needed. The removable water tank is a smart convenience feature, making filling and refilling simple without having to wrestle with the entire unit. With the ability to clean multiple rooms without interruption, it supports longer cleaning sessions comfortably. The mop's swivel steering significantly boosts maneuverability, making it easy to clean under tables, around furniture legs, and through tight corners. The included machine-washable dirt grip microfiber pads provide excellent absorption and scrubbing capability, tackling dry debris while still being gentle on hardwood surfaces. These pads can be washed and reused, saving long-term replacement costs. This model is great for quick everyday maintenance, light to moderate messes, and regular floor sanitization. While it may not include advanced scrubbing motors or steam bursts like some high-end units, its simple design, reliable function, and ease of use make it highly practical. Number 5. Bissell 20393 Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine. The Bissell 20393 Hardwood Floor Cleaning Machine is built for users who want deep cleaning results without heavy effort. Its standout feature is its machine-powered scrubbing system, which handles the hard work for you. Instead of manually scrubbing sticky stains or dried spills, the rotating pads deliver strong, consistent cleaning power, making the machine ideal for homes with kids, pets, and high traffic. It is safe for all sealed hard floors, including wood, tile, and linoleum, so users don't have to worry about damage or excessive moisture. The on-demand spray trigger is another useful addition, allowing you to apply cleaning solution precisely where it's needed. This prevents waste and ensures efficiency during every cleaning session. At the same time, the lightweight design and smooth swivel head make navigating around furniture legs, corners, and hard-to-reach spots incredibly simple. This machine excels at cleaning under couches, shelves, and low-clearance areas without requiring awkward bending. A highlight of the package is the 6-pad reusable system, which includes multiple washable cleaning pads and travel-size cleaning formulas. This provides excellent value, giving users several complete cleaning sessions right out of the box. The washable pads also reduce long-term costs and contribute to eco-friendly floor care. In terms of performance, the Bissell 20393 offers strong cleaning capability ideal for both light maintenance and deeper cleaning tasks. Its corded system ensures consistent power throughout use, and the straightforward operation makes it beginner-friendly. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.